Think of skincare as the foundation for beautiful skin, while skin prep as the finishing touch. That's what you should think of. Because when you have a clean, well-maintained, healthy skin, you are see everybody will just be hyping, oh my god, you look good, you look good. That's what skincare is. But skin prep, like I said, it's just like the finishing touch for everything. So with a good skin prep, I mean the skincare, you have a easier, better base for your makeup to go on smoothly, flawlessly, without any stress. Welcome back to my channel, lovelies. Today we're diving into a topic that I get asked all the time. What is the difference between skincare and skin prep? If you've ever been confused on what to do, or if it is even necessary to do skincare or skin prep, all of this, then stick around because I'm going to be breaking it down for you. You're in the right place. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. You are absolutely welcome to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial like this. And if you are a returning subscriber, my real G's, my G of G's of G's of G's. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really love you and I do not take you for granted. You are absolutely the best. First off, what is skincare? I know most of you be asking when this is not the same thing as skincare or skin prep. Why are you asking us what is skincare? Well, that's why we're here. Skincare is all about the long-term health of your skin. It involves using products and following a routine that addresses your skin's needs, like cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting it from sun damage. The main goal for skincare is to improve your the overall skin health and appearance over time. That's what skincare is all about. Just to make sure that your skin is looking healthy, So if you go by what I said you are basically using products and following a routine that addresses your skin need. That means you cannot buy a product that because your sister Fumi is using it and it works for eyes. Oh, now that one they rain now. Because something is trending doesn't mean that it will work for you. Do you get? So use products that works for your skin. Use product that your skin needs, not combating it. So don't go and use a product because it works for your sister Fumi or your best friend Effie, Bella. No, my darling. Use products and follow a routine that addresses your skin need. That's what skincare is all about. At the end of it, you have a healthy appearance overall. Common steps in a skincare routine includes cleansing to remove dirt and impurities. Using serums to target specific concerns like acne or wrinkles. Applying moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. You don't want your skin looking dull and flaky, so moisturizing keeps your skin hydrated. Finally, applying sunscreen to protect against UV damage. Now let's switch gears to skin prep. What is skin prep? I'm sure you already know what skin prep is because that's what I always do before my makeup. So that should be a normal thing. You should know that by now. But then for this video purpose, I'm going to be talking about what skin prep is. Skin prep is all about getting your skin ready for your makeup application. It's a short-term process that ensures your makeup goes on smoothly and stay put throughout the day. The main goal is to help create a flawless canvas for your makeup.
Typical steps in skin prep include cleansing your face to ensure it's free of any oil or leftover makeup. Applying primer to smooth out the skin and fill in pores, and sometimes using setting spray to lock everything in place.
So to sum it up, skincare is all about nurturing and improving your skin's health over long term. While skin prep is getting your skin ready for makeup application for a short term. Both are essential, but they serve different purposes. A good skincare routine can actually make your skin prep easier, very much easier, because a healthy, well-maintained skin provides a better base for makeup. I hope this clears up the difference between skincare and skin prep. If you have any questions or you want to share your own routine, please drop a comment below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.